on as well. So keep the positivity going, stay in touch. And with that, I thank you for your time. I hope that in your heart, there are some of the messages that resonated, and I hope that you will take these and make them yours to light up more candles that are just waiting for you to connect with your purpose.
I've been to a few sessions before and they'd focused on the bleaker side, like how difficult it is, and it was just really empowering and uplifting to be able to see someone that had an idea and just thought like, what's my purpose? Like, why am I here? What can I do that'll be different from everyone else? And so he just grew and expanded on that idea, and now he's very successful, and I just want to be like that and make a difference in the global community.
I saw kids playing soccer with water bottles because they didn't have a single ball. And there was just apathy everywhere. People were walking around, tourists were walking around, snapping the pictures of this big Darbar Square, which is the main attraction. But there was a school right in the middle of that square with a big crack in it. And I'll start the tone with this. The number one is valuing time. Understanding time is finite and you always have more of it today than you will tomorrow, and to use it wisely. But let me take it a little bit down from the cliche, value your time. I spent the last 1 month in the end-of-life palliative care unit at Brampton Hospital. When I was building my library in Mexico, my dad was diagnosed with the last stage of cancer. This is November. Since 22nd December, he's been in end-of-life, and this is where I've been writing my book. And I saw 8 people pass away. The roommate of my father passed away and I was with him for 5 hours. And I'm not saying this in the term of doom and gloom, we're all gonna die. We are all gonna die. But we're breathing today. We're here at this point in time. We're sharing this beautiful energy. And every moment we spend in negativity, every moment we spend in skepticism, every moment we don't follow our purpose is a wasted moment. And that's what I mean by this lesson. So I have never been more driven to follow my own purpose.
What I loved about Sultan's presentation was how relatable it was. Most of the time when you see and hear about people who've done a lot of humanitarian work, they have such profound actions and such big results that you think that, how will I ever compare? But his actions were just so simple, yet they had such lasting and big impacts that, I felt inspired that I too could do similar things and, make such lasting impacts. And what I loved was his tools that he left with us. There were simple words such as believe in yourself, right? It's so simple to not and oversee that, and I really feel that leaving his presentation, I believe in myself. I too feel like I can go and achieve my goals and make it work.